Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever tried affiliate marketing, you know how overwhelming it can be. There are so many courses, strategies, and tools out there, and figuring out what actually works can feel like an endless cycle of trial and error. I've been there, spending hours setting things up, testing different methods, and wondering if I was even on the right path. It's frustrating, right? But what if you could skip all that struggle and jump straight to a system that's already working? No guesswork, no wasted effort, just a clear, done-for-you setup that helps you start earning commissions without the usual headaches. That's exactly what DFY Super Affiliate promises, and today, I'm going to give you an inside look at whether it really delivers or if it's just another overhyped program. DFY Super Affiliate is a fully built-for-use system designed to take the complexity out of affiliate marketing. Instead of spending months figuring out how to build a business from scratch, this program hands you a proven, ready-to-go system that's already set up for success. The idea is simple. You plug in, follow the steps, and start making money without needing to master paid ads, create content, or build an audience from scratch. The creator behind this system is James Renouf, a well-known name in digital marketing. He's been involved in multiple multi-million-dollar businesses and knows what works. His approach isn't based on theories, it's built on real experience and tested strategies. And that's something I always look for when reviewing these kinds of programs. There are too many courses out there that just recycle generic advice without actually providing a working system. So what do you actually get inside DFY Super Affiliate? The first thing that stood out to me is that it's truly done for you. You don't need to set up complicated sales funnels, create content, or spend money on traffic. The system is already built. You just follow the step-by-step process and let it do the heavy lifting. Another big advantage is that you don't need paid traffic. Most affiliate programs rely heavily on running ads, which can get expensive fast. But with DFY Super Affiliate, the traffic methods are organic, meaning you don't have to keep spending money just to see results. That's a huge win, especially for beginners who don't want to risk their hard-earned money on ad campaigns that may or may not work. What I also like about this system is that it's designed for anyone, regardless of experience level. Whether you're completely new or have dabbled in affiliate marketing before, this program is structured to make it as easy as possible to start earning. You don't need an audience, a big following, or a technical background. Everything is pre-configured and optimized so you can hit the ground running. One of the biggest selling points for me is the earning potential. The system combines low-ticket sales, recurring income, and high-ticket commissions, which means you're not relying on just one income stream. This approach allows you to start seeing results quickly, while also building a long-term income. And that's something most affiliate marketers struggle with. Either they make quick one-time commissions but have no recurring revenue, or they rely on high-ticket sales that take longer to convert. DFY Super Affiliate balances all three to create a more stable income flow. Another thing that really impressed me is the support system. When you join, you're not just getting access to a training program, you're also joining a community of like-minded people who are working towards the same goal. Plus, you have mentorship and expert guidance, which is a huge plus. Having access to people who have already succeeded with this system can make all the difference in keeping you motivated and on track. Now, let's talk about who this system is best for. If you're someone who's struggled with affiliate marketing in the past, or if you're just getting started and want a proven shortcut, this program could be exactly what you need. It's built for people who want results without spending months trying to figure everything out. That being said, no system is perfect. While DFY Super Affiliate takes care of the technical setup and provides a structured approach, you'll still need to put in some effort. You'll need to follow the steps, stay consistent, and actually implement what's provided. This isn't some magic button that prints money, it's a real system that works, but only if you do your part. After going through the program and seeing how it works, I can definitely say that DFY Super Affiliate delivers on its promises. It removes the biggest hurdles in affiliate marketing, provides a clear, structured path, and gives you everything you need to start earning online without the typical roadblocks. If you're tired of spinning your wheels and want something that's already tested and ready to go, this might be exactly what you're looking for. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check it out. Let me know in the comments what you think. Are you considering trying this system? Have you had success with other DFY programs before? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more videos like this. See you in the next one.